Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A80, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this phone. To get started, swipe down from the top of your screen like so to bring out the notifications and the toggles, and then swipe down once again on the toggles to extend the list of them. Next, find the power saving mode, which might be visible on one of the pages. So I'm going to swipe to the left, and it is right here for me, power saving mode, as you can see. Once you find yours, you can just simply tap on it. It toggles on, changes the filling of the battery to different color to signify that it is right now running. And that's about all there is to see in terms of like the changes of the power saving mode. There might have been like just a little bit of a brightness difference. I'm not necessarily sure. I think there's just a tiny bit of a difference, but there's actually much more happening in the background. So if we hold this toggle, hopefully we can have some more insight into it. Power saving mode, let's click right here, and there we go. So we have power saving mode. We can click on learn more, and this gives you a laundry list of things that will be changed when enabled. The most important thing right here to keep in mind will be the performance and background tasks section right here. So optimizes system resources, meaning it's going to close applications in the background, limits background activity, again going back to the first one, disables lock for recent apps. So you can do this kind of lock, I think it's right here, should be somewhere here, like a locking one. So when you go to clear all, it would leave the locked applications open. This disables it. And lastly is disables background syncing. This will be the most important option, as what it entails is that it's just going to straight up disable Wi-Fi and mobile data. Syncing is just checking for updates from applications. So for instance, email application like Gmail will be checking if it got new emails. With sync being disabled, it will no longer be doing that. So what you'll end up with is, when you're using power saving mode, you will not be getting any kind of notifications from apps that require internet connection of any kind of sorts. And set applications would be things like Netflix, WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, and so on. So be very mindful of that, as it might obviously cause some problems for some people that require their notifications to be delivered to them on time. So anyway, with that being said, once you're done using the power saving mode, you can find the toggle once more and simply tap on it like so, and this will disable it. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.